What's up guys, Comrade Merc here and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are not unboxing models but two other interesting things. The Gemini Jets aircraft maintenance scaffolding and the Gemini Jets hangar. Now you're probably thinking, wow, this is a pretty weird box. Well, first of all, this is the Gemini Jets packaging box. Like, you wouldn't see this at your local shops. Well, they wouldn't sell you it in this kind of box. I mean, it's the packaging. It's not very common on YouTube too. This is probably the only video you ever see, or one of the few only ones, but yeah. If you follow Gemini Jets on Instagram, they occasionally show things on their stories of them filming in their hangar, and you see all these boxes on the shelf. So yeah, you might have seen them before on social media, but yeah. Now I've already cut out the tape in that, because if you've seen my other unboxing videos, you probably already know how sad it is of me trying to open these boxes, but yeah. So yeah, let's get straight to it. So yeah, the box, it's pretty good. Gemini Jets made this pretty well. You can see there's the other actual hanger box inside there. This packaging is actually pretty alright. I mean, I got this from a local shop, but like the people there had like 2 or 3 in stock. They just gave me this completely brand new one, still in the Gemini Jets packaging box, which means that they probably had this ordered directly from the Gemini Jets warehouse in Las Vegas, Nevada in America, I think. I don't know. But yeah, this is the box. It looks pretty good. So yeah, let's take it out. Oh wow, I've been wanting to get this for a very long time. I'm so glad I got it. Oh wow, this is pretty difficult. Okay, so I just broke my blade and my finger's now bleeding. So yeah, I wonder how we're even going to get the box out of this packaging. Yes. Oh no. Almost. Oh my gosh, why did Gemini Jets have to do... Oh yes, finally. That was really hard. Big on box. And there we go. It looks very similar to the terminal box and is fairly big. This is it on one side. Yeah, same on this side and that side. And the back. Oh, upside down. There we go. So yeah, a lot of information, dimensions, yeah, pretty good. And yeah. It's hard to learn how to open this box, but I eventually knew how to. You just take these things out on the sides, and then you get these flaps, oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know how I open this. Bruh. Okay, there we go, finally. Yeah, it's similar to the 1 to 200 scale models with all the part. Oh my gosh. Bruh. Okay. Now we got the polystyrene and hanger out the box. Now let's take the hanger out of this. Oh. That's pretty cool. Let me just zoom in for you. So I have some plastic wrapping, and yep, all this polystyrene that you've already seen. It's so stupid. Not really stupid though, but yeah, it just breaks apart easily, makes a mess. So yeah, now let's take this out. Wow, it's really heavy. There we go. Ooh, that's very solid. It's gonna make a mess around my whole airport. Let's take the plastic wrapping off. This is like made out of metal or something, or ceramics, because it's just so heavy and solid. Yeah, it is made out of metal. Pretty good material though, heavy but strong. There are plenty of small details around the hanger. Plenty of lights around the front of it. These don't turn on and off though, but it still does add an extra level of realism to it. It's good having smaller details in there around these kind of things. I also put an Air Mauritius Airbus A350 inside there. It fits perfectly. You can maybe fit an A380 inside there, I don't know. But yeah, these doors don't move in that, which is not the best, but it's still alright. There are more details on the side of the hangar, such as this small door here and all the windows. No defects at all, and I think Gemini Jets did a fantastic job on that. There are also these window, I don't know if they are supposed to be windows, but you know, more details on the roof, which still looks pretty good. Now the back of the hangar is very good too. All the lights and that are back here again, and also the small doors and other stuff too. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Even though you might not see the back of the hangar that much, it still looks pretty good. The side of the hangar is pretty much like the other side, except that there are these other details on the roof which look very nice. The only bad thing about this is that the polystyrene can be easily stuck to this, and I spent 1 minute blowing it off, which wasn't nice. Now let's see if the A380 can fit inside the hangar. So let's move this GC out of the way and put this in. Wow, so it just fits. Even the tail can get through. There's still plenty of space inside it. You can't see it, but yeah. And it can be taken out too. Didn't make any contact with the walls and that. I doubt you can fit the Antonov AN225 inside it. And yep, like what I said, the A3 can still fit inside it. But this video still isn't over. We still have to review this thing. So some of you guys may already know what this thing is. It's the Gemini Jets aircraft maintenance scaffolding. It's pretty good. Comes in 6 pieces, and yeah, let's get out of the box right now. Wouldn't be as hard as the their hanger box, but okay, that wasn't the nicest way I've had to open it, but you know, it's just the box, not the actual thing inside it. And yeah, these are the pieces. Pretty good. Comes off easily, just like the Gemini Jets models, and yeah, let's take each piece out. It comes in 6 pieces. The first one is like right at the nose. The second one goes around the fuselage in front of the wings. And yeah, another 2 go right behind the wings, and yeah, the last 2 go right up against the tail. There are plenty of small details in this thing, like there are small staircases inside each piece, which is pretty cool. I might repaint this into like a red color or silver, because yellow doesn't look the best, or I might just keep it. It still looks really good. This is what it looks like on the Boeing 787-9. I'm using my Air Tahiti Nui model. It fits really nicely with the pieces. Yeah, especially with the ones on the tail. It looks really good. Like if you're wanting an airport with maintenance and that inside it, you should definitely get this. This is the A330-200. It still looks really nice on this model. I mean, everything still fits nicely again, and yeah. This is what it looks like on the A350-900. As you can see, there's still plenty of space around this piece. The A350-900 is slightly larger than the 787-9, but yeah, now let's see what it looks like on the 777. This is the Boeing 777-300ER. There's a little bit more space left around this piece, and it's much more difficult on the tail pieces, so you might have to move it a little bit back, but it still looks fine. And now this is the Boeing 747-8 freighter. This piece barely fits onto the hump, which is probably the largest aircraft all these pieces can really fit on. The nose is alright, and also these two pieces here, but the tail pieces don't really fit well and it's off the ground, and yeah, it still works well on the 747 without these, but you can still keep these on because, you know, it still looks alright and looks very realistic, I must say. Now it obviously doesn't fit on the A380, and narrow bodies aren't really good for this thing too, but it's perfect for wide bodies like the 777 and aircraft below that, except for the narrow bodies. It looks really good on these models, and you know, I think it was a wise choice getting it. This is the 777 again, but in the hangar with the maintenance scaffolding around it. Everything fits nicely around it too. Thank you so much for watching this video, I really appreciate it. If you want to ask me any more questions about these two products, just let me know in the comments below. I'll be replying to every single comment, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. See ya.